dimensions are weakening considerably. Oh, how bad is it? Well, it is certainly not good. Right. Where are we?
Beats me.
Racket! To the depths! How many arms you got?
What?
Manner of trickery! Get off me, ship! I'll crick!
Did I do it? Oh, what is this? What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator. Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator. What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's me! It worked! It worked! I am the winner!
Emperor Nefarious, you have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Oh. Clank? Clank? A Wombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here has seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming. Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Hey, Lomax!
second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? No. Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
Oh, this is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like? That sounds like a club, all right.
I just wanted to let you all know that your emperor has returned. And it is me, the emperor.
Dr. Nefarious? So what happened to the real Emperor? Come on, Phantom, where are you? Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom?
I am whatever you want me to be, Fluffy.
Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine. Watch out now!
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
Can't believe! First mission in forever and my cover's blown!
Phantom? Is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. That had to be Phantom, right? Mysterious dude in a hollow guy? Had to be Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission!
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names! You gotta be some mission!
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names!
My
You
sensors
gotta be
detected
smarter than
deviant.
that if you want to join the Resistance, new guy!
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
Time for some good indoctrination. You will not
Up here, new guy! Come on!
There has to be something around here I can use to reach Phantom. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names!
I cannot
You
allow
gotta be
you to
smarter than
meddle
that
with
if you want to
the
join the
Emperor's
Resistance, new guy.
Why does everyone think I'm with the Resistance?
I hope you enjoy this concert.
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it? Hey, wait!
There he is! The fuzzball of the
Wait! Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
No, the resistance! Your resistance ends here! You will regret that! You are going to...
Now, where'd you go?
Nice work, new guy.
Thanks. What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
All right, new guy. Try out your Phantom Dash.
Phantom Dash?
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash! Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a Royal Starship to find my friend. I heard you know where to get one.
Shh, it's not safe here. Just stay close.
Can you get a Royal Starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a Royal Starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank. Just hang on.
Please allow me to restrain you.
Make you a deal. Oh, you are getting it. Upgrading your loadout is not hard, as long as you've got the raritanium. See? Why settle for a good...
What better way to destroy your enemy?
Always worth the cost to keep your weapons in tip-top shape.
Thanks again for the help, Secret Agent Zircon.
Good luck up there! And me, Zircon, was never here!
Ha!
Man, oh man! Those jets really cut into the nexus of my sister board!
So you made it after all. Impressive.
Wait, you can see me? Where are you? You got my starship ready?
You'll get it, don't you worry. I just need you to help me with one last threat. The nefarious day spa. If you can distract these troopers, I'll hack Nefarious's propaganda blimp and give this city a message it'll never forget.
Looks easy enough.
I do so enjoy excuse me, sir.
Citizens of the various city, this is the voice of liberty. This is the voice of truth. And the truth is, we go. Actions speak louder than words.
Opening fire. Please, just
Finally! Nefarious Tower, here I come.
Wow, where'd you learn how to go? Looks like I touched a nerve. All right, deal's a deal. That's Glitch. She'll help you get onto the Emperor's private shuttle to the tower. Access console's in that huge statue of Nefarious in the center of the city. Just hook her up, and she'll handle the rest.
What are you doing?
Tearing this whole rotten world down from the inside.
Huh?
Stay strong, brother!
How do you expect me to get to the bazaar from here? Yeah. That'll work. All right. All I gotta do now, whoa, this is fast, is head to the statue, use Glitch, get a starship, and then find Clank on Sargasso. I'm on my way, buddy. Just hang in there for a little bit longer.
Hey, Sugar! I forgot to mention earlier. I hit a spot on in the factory bar with Mrs. Friend. Maybe you can dig it up.
Is this... Aha! That has to be the access console.
Cutting in line is against the law.
Where did you even come from?
I spot a tiny rebel.
What? Yikes! 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 Oh! Oh, wow. Oh, no.
Hello, I am glad to see you have survived the journey. Now,
Not again! At least it was a round trip. Come on!
I am trying to destroy you as fast as I can.
There. Now I can finally plug Glitch into this access console. Yeah, hi. You must be Glitch. I'm Ratchet. Sorry for all the jostling around earlier. Things aren't exactly going well, and... Actually, I think you're the only one who can help me right now. Thanks.
Ratchet. Huh. Seems like a nice guy. I probably just have to delete some files, and then he'll be all set.
Did it, Glitch?
Welcome back, your most majestic majesty.
Here we go.
Death traps. Warpaths. 5 planet-destroying cannons. And a surveillance state covering the entire city. If only that blasted Dimensionator still worked.
Clank.
Huh? After him! No!
I'm coming, Clank. Oh, no, 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 no!
Welcome, oh master of us all. Password, please.
Huh? Why do I need a password? I'm the Emperor. How about I obliterate you instead? Ha 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 ha!